নমস্কাৰ প্ৰিয় বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল, আপোনালোক সকলোকে প্ৰশ্নবোধ চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ।
আজি আমি APSC দ্বাৰা অনুষ্ঠিত কৰা চাইল্ড ডেভেলপমেণ্ট প্ৰজেক্ট অফিচাৰৰ পেপাৰ 2 জেনেৰেল নলেজৰ চিৰিজ এ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰখন সলভ কৰিব ওলাইছোঁ। প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে এৰেঞ্জ দ্য ফলোয়িং প্লেচেছ ইন আছাম ষ্টাৰ্টিং ফ্ৰম নৰ্থ টু চাউথ। নম্বৰ 1 হামৰেন, নম্বৰ 2 লাহৰিঘাট, নম্বৰ 3 Ramkrishnanagar, or number 4 Umrangso. Select the correct option using the codes given below. A 2143, B 2314, C 3412, or D 1234. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ A। দুই নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল which of the following places of India is are not in the Indian coastline? Number 1 Rourkela, number 2 Visakhapatnam, number 3 Nellore, or number 4 Kozhikode. Select the correct option using the codes given below. A 1 and 3, B 2 and 3, C 3 and 4, or number D 1 only. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ D 1 only। 3 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল match the following tributaries of Assam in list 1 with the places of their origin list 2. List 1ত আছে নম্বৰ A Dikho, নম্বৰ B Kulsi, নম্বৰ C Puthimari, আৰু নম্বৰ D Jinjiram। আৰু লিষ্টটোত আছে নম্বৰ 1 মেঘালয়, নম্বৰ 2 নাগালেণ্ড, নম্বৰ 3 উৰ্পদবিল, আৰু নম্বৰ 4 ভূটান। Select the correct option from the following codes. A A3 B2 C1 D4, B A2 B3 C4 D1, C A2 B1 C4 D3, আৰু D A1 B2 C3 D4। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C। 4 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল which of the following pairs are correct matches of organizations and their headquarters? Number 1 UN Environment Program UNEP Nairobi, number 2 UN Security Council UNSC New York City, number 3 International Monetary Fund IMF New York City, and number 4 UN Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO Paris. Select the correct option using the codes given below. A 1 2 and 4, B 1 3 and 4, C 1 2 and 3, or D 2 3 and 4। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ A। 5 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে arrange the following schemes by order of the launching year. Number 1 demonetization, number 2 Goods and Service Tax Act, number 3 Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, or number 4 Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Select the correct option using the codes given below. A 1 2 3 4, B 1 2 4 3, C 4 1 2 3, or D 3 4 1 2। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ D। 6 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে the most essential layer of the atmosphere for biosphere is number A ionosphere, number B mesosphere, number C stratosphere, or number D troposphere। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ D। 7 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে নেশ্যনেল এডুকেশ্যন পলিচি NEP 2020 modified 10+2 school education with curricular and pedagogical structure of 5+3+3+4 covering ages 3 to 18. Which of the following statements are correct about first stage of 5 years? Number 1. It comprises children in the age group of 3 to 8 years. Number 2. It comprises of 2 years of Anganwadi, preschool, Bal Bhatika in the foundational stage. Number 3. It consists of 2 years in ages 6 to 8 in the foundational stage in classes 1 and 2. Or number 4. The age group 3 to 8, 5 years is also called preschool stage. Select the correct option using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3. Or D. 1, 3 আৰু 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি। 8 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল In which case did the Supreme Court of India concede the right of Parliament to amend the Constitution of India but denied the right to amend the basic structure of the Constitution? Number A. Kesavananda Bharati case. Number B. Gorakhnath case. Number C. Minerva Mill case. Or number D. None of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ এ। 9 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল The disqualification of membership in Legislative Assembly is number A. If he/she is of unsound mind and declared so. Number B. If he/she is an undischarged insolvent. Or number C. If he or she is not a citizen of India. Or number D. All of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি অল অফ দ্য এবভ। 10 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল দ্য কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন অফ ইণ্ডিয়া নেমছ আৱাৰ কাণ্ট্ৰি এজ নম্বৰ এ ভাৰত, নম্বৰ বি হিন্দুস্তান, নম্বৰ চি ইণ্ডিয়া ডেট ইজ ভাৰত, আৰু নম্বৰ ডি আৰ্যভট্ট। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 11 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল Which among the following is not true about the Indian Constitution? Number A. Parliamentary form of government. Number B. Federal form of government. Number C. Double citizenship. Or number D. A written constitution. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 12 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল Match the following diseases in list 1 with the type of infection causes in list 2. Those are related to number 1. List number 1. A. Malaria. B. Pertussis. C. Candidiasis. Or number D. Hepatitis A. List 2 আছে number 1 viral, number 2 fungal, number 3 parasitic, or number 4 bacterial. Select the correct option from the following codes. Number A. A1, B2, C3, D4. Number B. A3, B2, C1, D4. Number C. A4, B1, C2, D3. Or number D. A3, B4, C2, D1. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি। 13 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল Which one of the following diseases is not a vector-borne disease? Number A, dengue. Number B, filaria. Number C, polio. Number D, kala ajar. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নাম্বাৰ চি। 14 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল পোষণ stands for নাম্বাৰ এ PM's overarching scheme for health nourishment. Number B, PM's overarching scheme for health and nutrition. Number C, PM office scheme for holistic nutrition. Or number D, PM's overarching scheme for holistic nutrition. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নাম্বাৰ ডি। 15 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে which of the following statements are correct about ASHA? Number 1, ASHA stands for Aggregated Social Health Action. Number 2, ASHA must primarily be a woman resident of the concerned village, married/widowed/divorced, preferably in the age group of 25 to 45 years. Number 3, an ASHA should be a literate woman with due preference in selection to those who are qualified up to 12th standard. Or number 4, ASHA will mobilize the community and facilitate them in accessing health and health-related services available at the Anganwadi, sub-center, primary health centers such as immunization, antenatal checkup ANC, postnatal checkup PNC, supplementary nutrition, sanitation, and other services being provided by the government. Select the correct option using the codes given below. A, 2 only. B, 2 and 4 only. C, 2, 3 and 4. Or D, 1, 2 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি। 16 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে which of the following statements is true about HPV vaccine? Number A, this vaccine is to prevent hepatitis B infection. Number B, this vaccine protects against genital warts and most causes of cervical cancer. Number C, this vaccine helps in preventing HIV infection. Or number D, this vaccine may prevent the spread of hepatitis A. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি। 17 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে being overweight or obese can have a serious impact on health. Which of the following statements are true about obesity? Number 1, to prevent overweight, one should shift fat consumption away from unsaturated fats to saturated fats. Number 2, carrying extra fat leads to serious health consequences such as cardiovascular disease. Number 3, overweight may lead to type 2 diabetes and musculoskeletal disorder like osteoarthritis. Or number 4, overweight and obesity are largely preventable. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 1, 2 and 4 only. Number B, 1 and 2 only. Number C, 2, 3 and 4 only. Or number D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 18 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে ই-সড়ক is an online portal come Android based application for trading medicinal plants. The portal has been developed by which of the following organizations/agencies? Number A, National Medicinal Plants Board. Number B, Central Botanical Research Institute. Number C, Ayurvedic Drug Manufacturers Association. Or number D, Central Ayurvedic Research Institute. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ এ। 19 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল Vision Jyoti, an Assamese science magazine, is being published by which of the following organization? Number A, Jigyas Gusti. Number B, Assam Prakashan Parishad. Number C, Assam Science Society. Or number D, Students Science Society Assam. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 20 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল which of the following statements is are not correct about DNS in internet service? Number 1, it refers to domain name system. Number 2, it refers to digital network system. Number 3, it is an internet service that translates domain name into IP addresses. Or number 4, it is a network protocol that is used to configure network devices to communicate on an IP network. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 2 only. Number B, 1 and 4. Number C, 1 and 3. Or number D, 2 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি। 21 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে মাইক্ৰৱেভ ovens are very popular cooking devices. Which of the following statements about microwave heating are correct? Number 1, microwaves are ionizing radiation and therefore they heat the food faster. Number 2, microwaves are a form of electromagnetic radiation. Number 3, microwaves cause water molecules in food to vibrate, producing heat that cooks the food. Or number 4, microwave cooking is beneficial but is a lesser energy efficient than conventional cooking. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 1 and 2 only. Number B, 2 and 3. Number C, 1, 2 and 4. Or number D, 1 only. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি। 22 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে কনচিডাৰ দ্য এডেশ্যন, কোহেশ্যন এণ্ড সাৰফেচ টেনশ্যন প্ৰপাৰ্টিজ অফ ৱাটাৰ। হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং ষ্টেটমেণ্টছ আৰ কাৰেক্ট? Number 1, because of cohesion, water is attracted to other substances. Number 2, surface tension allows water to move against gravity. Number 3, capillary action allows water to move against gravity. Or number 4, water is sticky and sumps together into drops because of its cohesive properties. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 1 and 2. Number B, 2 and 3. Number C, 4 and 3 only. Or number D, 1, 3 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 23 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে মেটচ দ্য ফলোয়িং নেমছ অফ ফেষ্টিভেল/ৰিচুৱেলছ লিষ্ট 1 উইথ দেয়াৰ কৰেছপণ্ডিং কমিউনিটিজ ইন লিষ্ট 2 লিষ্ট 1 এ বৈশাগু নম্বৰ বি বুচু নম্বৰ চি চংগ্ৰা মিছাৱা আৰু নম্বৰ ডি ৰংকেৰ আৰু লিষ্ট 2 আছে কাৰ্বি number 2 Tiwa, number 3 Dimasa or number 4 Boro. Select the correct option from the following codes. A2 B4 C3 D1 B A4 B2 C1 D3 C A4 B2 C3 D1 or number D A4 B3 C2 D1 আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে ডি 24 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে হুইচ এমং দ্য ফলোয়িং আৰ ৰিচিপিয়েণ্টছ অফ আসাম বৈভৱ এৱাৰ্ড নম্বৰ 1 ৰতন নেভেল টাটা নম্বৰ 2 নীল পৱন বৰুৱা নম্বৰ 3 ডক্টৰ তপন শইকীয়া and number 4 Lavlina Borgohain. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A 1 and 2, number B 1 and 3, number C 1 and 4, number D 4 and 3. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি 25 number question to hoise which one of the following roads was constructed with the patronage of Kush King Naranarayan? Number A Dhudar Ali, number B Guhai Kamal Ali, number C Sensua Ali or number D Dhai Ali. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B 26 number প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে লোকপ্ৰিয় গোপীনাথ বৰদলৈ was the first chief minister of Assam. Arrange the following names of chief ministers of Assam in chronological order from 2nd to 5th. Number 1 Bimala Prasad Soliha, number 2 Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary, number 3 Vishnuram Medhi, and number 4 Sharat Chandra Sinha. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A 3214, number B 3412, number C 2341 or number D 3124. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে D 27 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে Assam agitation 1979 to 1985 was mainly led by two organizations. One was All Assam Students Union, what was the other organization? Number A All Assam Gana Sangram Parishad, number B All Assam Sangram Parishad, number C Ahom Chatra Sanmilan, and number D Yuba Chatra Parishad. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ A 28 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল match the following monuments in list 1 with names of Ahom kings in list 2 during whose tenure these were constructed. List 1 Ronghor, number B Joydol, number C Gorgaon Rampat, or number D Umananda Brick Temple. Our list 2 number 1 Sorgodev Rudrohinga, number 2 Sorgodev Protap Paramattohinga, number 3 Sorgodev Suklingmung, or number 4 Sorgodev Godadhar Hinga. Select the correct option from the following codes. A2 B1 C4 D3, B A1 B2 C3 D4, C A2 B1 C3 D4 और नंबर D A1 B4 C2 D3 और ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C 29 number question to is arrange the following viceroys of India during British rule in chronological order of their service. Number 1 Lord Canning, number 2 Lord Lytton, number 3 Lord Curzon, or number 4 Lord Minto. Select the correct option using the codes given below. A 1 2 3 4, B 1 3 2 4, C 2 1 4 3 or D 4 3 2 1 और यार उत्तरটো হৈছে number A. 30 number question to is who among the following took a leading role in starting the National Council of Education in 1906? Number A Bal Gangadhar Tilak, number B Satyendranath Bose, number C Satish Chandra Mukherjee or number D Lord Curzon. और यह শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number C. 31 number question to is what made the walls of Harappa cities such as those surrounding the citadel and lower town particularly strong and durable? Number A the exclusive use of stone in construction which has lasted for millennia. Number B the use of an interlocking pattern in laying the baked bricks. Number C both A and B. Number D neither A nor B. और यार उत्तरটো হৈছে number B. 32 number question to is Alluri Sitarama Raju was a tribal freedom fighter from which state of India? Number A Bihar, number B Maharashtra, number C Andhra Pradesh or number D Jharkhand. और यार उत्तरটো হৈছে C. 33 number question to is where is Lakshadweep located? Number A Bay of Bengal, number B Pacific Ocean, number C Arabian Sea or number D Atlantic Ocean. और यार उत्तरটো হৈছে number C. 34 number question to is Mir Qasim the Nawab of Bengal was associated with which of the following battles of India? Number A Battle of Kirki, number B Battle of Buxar, number C Battle of Plassey or number D Battle of Lahore. और यार শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B. 35 number প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে Ekta portal is related to which of the following? Number A agricultural education portal, number B intellectual property rights education portal, number C trade policies portal or number D none of the above. और ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number A. 36 number প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে match the following national parks in list 1 with their respective states in list 2. List 1 A Kaziranga National Park, number B Gir National Park, number C Bandipur National Park और नंबर डी कान्हा नेशनल पार्क और लिस्ट टू 1 गुजरात नंबर 2 मध्य प्रदेश नंबर 3 Assam और नंबर 4 कर्नाटका select the correct option from the following codes A1 B3 C4 D2 B A3 B1 C4 D2 C A4 B2 C1 D3 और D A4 B2 C3 D1 और ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি 37 number question to is which of the following operating systems is primarily based on a graphical user interface GUI number A Android number B Windows number C Linux or number D Mac OS और यार শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number A 38 number প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে Who among the following was the first Indian woman producer and director in Indian cinema? Number A. Fatima Begum. Number B. Devika Rani. Number C. Deepa Mehta. Or number D. Tanuja Chandra. और यह उत्तरটো হৈছে A. 39 number question to is Which of the following economic activities can be attributed to arrival of British rulers in the state of Assam? Number 1. Introduction of tea. Number 2. Introduction of cotton cultivation. Number 3. Discovery of coal. Or number 4. Discovery of petroleum. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A. 1, 2 and 3 only. Number B, 1, 3 and 4 only. Number C, 1 and 3 only. Or number D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. और यह শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B. 40 number প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে select the correct matches of players and their corresponding sports they play. Number 1. Noyanmani Soikia, handball. Number 2. Satvika Raj Raniki Reddy, badminton. Number 3. Susila Sanu, hockey. Number 4. Nikhat Zarin, wrestling. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 1 only. Number B, 2 and 3 only. Number C, 1, 2 and 3. Or number D, 3 and 4. और यार শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 41 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল Which of the following countries hosted the first Asian Games? Number A, China. Number B, Japan. Number C, India. Or number D, Indonesia. और यह শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number C. 42 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে Match the following tournaments in India. List 1 with their corresponding sports. List 2. List 1 আছে A. All India Badminton Cup. Number B. BC Roy Trophy. Number C. Irani Trophy. Or number D. Vikas Topiwala Challenge Cup. Or list 2 আছে 1 Badminton, 2 Cricket, 3 Football, or 4 Hockey. Select the correct option from the following codes. A. A4 B2 C3 D1. B. A1 B2 C3 D4. C. A4 B3 C2 D1. or number D A1 B4 C3 D2 আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number C 43 number questionটো হৈছে the mascot of Assam Khel Maharan is Maharaj Dudan. What does it signify? Number A, it symbolizes a powerful elephant from an Assamese folklore. Number B, Maharaj Dudan is believed to be the forefather of the Rabha tribe. Number C, it was a folk character of Boro community having immense physical powers. Or number D, Maharaj Dudan was a name given to the state animal of Assam. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B 44 number questionটো হৈছে which one of the following statements is not correct about ICDS scheme? Number A, ICDS is a program for holistic development of children under 6 years. Number B, ICDS was launched in the year 1975. Number C, the scheme is now renamed as Anganwadi Services. Or number D, the administrative ministry for operation of the scheme is the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number D 45 number questionটো হৈছে which of the following schemes are targeted for women and child protection in India? Number 1, Anganwadi Services Scheme. Number 2, Integrated Child Protection Scheme. Number 3, National Nutrition Mission. Number 4, Pradhan Mantri Matru Bandhana Scheme. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 1 and 4 only. Number B, 1, 2 and 4 only. Number C, 1 and 3 only. Or number D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number D 46 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে what is the full form of NIPCCD? Number A, Nationally Integrated Program for Corporation of Child Development. Number B, National Institute of Public Corporation and Child Development. Number C, National Initiative for Prenatal Care and Child Development. Or number D, National Institute for Prenatal Care and Child Development. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B 47 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে which of the following projects activities had not been taken up under the Assam Accord 1985? Number A, setting up of Srimanta Shankardev Kalakshetra. Number B, establishment of an Assamese chair in the Center of Indian Languages, Literature and Cultural Studies in Jawaharlal Nehru University. Number C, setting up of Nagaon Paper Mill. Or number D, setting up of Numaligarh Refinery Limited. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number C 48 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল what was Gandhi Smuts Agreement? Number A, it was an agreement between Indian National Congress and British government in 1919 to end Satyagraha and for withdrawal of oppressive laws by the British. Number B. It was an agreement signed between Satyagrahis and the South African government in 1914 to abolish £3 tax on Indians and allowing Indians to move freely into the traversal. Number C. This agreement led to end the Quit India movement in 1942. Number D. None of the above. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 49 number question to hold. Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited was set up during the Swadeshi movement. Who among the following persons is responsible for setting up this industry? Number A. Surendra Mohan Bose. Number B. Surjakanta Acharya. Number C. B.K. Lahiri. Or number D. Acharya P.C. Roy. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি। 50 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে আসাম লেজিসলেটিভ এছেম্বলি এট প্ৰেজেণ্ট হেজ 126 seats. How many seats were there in the first Assam Assembly elections held after the independence? Number A 105, number B 108, number C 114 or number D 126. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B. 51 number questionটো হৈছে recently in March 2024 one of the following city halls came into news for a brutal terrorist attack killing several people during a musical concert. Select the correct name of the hall from below. Number A. Crocus City Hall. Number B. Kortrijk City Hall. Number C. Moscow City Hall. Or number D. Warsaw City Hall. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number A. 52 number questionটো হৈছে the Election Commission of India is a 3-member commission consisting of the Chief Election Commissioner and 2 election commissioners. Earlier it was only a single-member commission. Since which year Election Commission of India became a 3-member commission? Number A 1964, number B 1980, number C 1989 or number D 2024. আৰু ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number C. 53 number questionটো হৈছে the Lok Sabha election 2024 coincided with assembly elections for 4 states. Select the correct option of the states having the assembly elections along with the Lok Sabha election 2024. Number A. Andhra Pradesh, Tripura, Orissa, Sikkim. Number B. Telangana, Arunachal Pradesh, Orissa, Sikkim. Number C. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Orissa, Telangana. Or number D. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Orissa, Sikkim. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number D. 54 number questionটো হৈছে which of the following statements are correct to define stunting, wasting and underweight? Number 1. Stunting corresponds to height for weight while wasting corresponds to weight for height. Number 2, stunting corresponds to height for age, while underweight corresponds to weight for height. Number 3, wasting corresponds to weight for height, while underweight corresponds to weight for age. Or number 4, underweight encompasses both stunting and wasting. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 1 and 3. Number B, 3 only. Number C, 3 and 4. Or number D, 2. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 55 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল deficiency of zinc in children causes which of the following problems? Number 1, growth retardation. Number 2, impaired immune function. Number 3, decrease in appetite. Or number 4, cognitive dysfunction. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 1 and 3 only. Number B, 1, 2 and 4 only. Number C, 2 and 4 only. Or number D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি। 56 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল which of the following places in Assam is famous for Baresohoria Bhauna? Number A, Dokuakhana. Number B, Dekiajuli. Number C, Jamagurihat. Or number D, Majuli. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 57 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল which of the following items are registered for Assam under the Geographical Indication Act? Number 1, Gamusa. Number 2, Judima. Number 3, Sakhau. Or number 4, Sukua rice. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 1 only. Number B, 1, 2 and 3 only. Number C, 1, 2 and 4 only. Or number D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 58 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে কুশন গান is a traditional folk theatre practiced in Assam. Which of the following districts of Assam is primarily known for this traditional form of culture? Number A, Kachar. Number B, Hailakandi. Number C, Gwalpara. Or number D, Karimganj. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 59 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে Dong is a traditional water management system practiced in some rural areas in Assam. Which of the following communities primarily use the Dong irrigation system in Assam? Number A, Mising. Number B, Karbi. Number C, Deuri. Or number D, Boro. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number D. 60 number question হৈছে it is found in Mahabharata that king of Pragjyotisha Bana Bhagadatta fought valiantly in the Kurukshetra Yudh. Who was known to be the father of Bhagadatta? Number A, Vajradatta. Number B, Ghatakasur. Number C, Narakasur. Or number D, Barsa. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি 61 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে মেচ দ্য ফলোয়িং religious/archaeological places in list 1 with the hills/hillocks in list 2 where they are situated. List 1 A. Bhimshankar Jyotirling. Number B. Puamukka. Number C. Umananda Temple. And number D. Bokhista Temple. Our list 2 আছে number 1 Bhasmashila. Number 2 Gurasala. Number 3 Sandhyasala. And number 4 Dakini Pahar. Select the correct option from the following codes. Number A A4 B2 C1 D3. Number B A2 B4 C1 D3. Number C A1 B2 C3 D4 or number D A4 B1 C2 D3 আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ A 62 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱ is credited with writing the first play Ankya Nath in Assam. Which of the following plays were written by Mahapurush Shankardev? Number 1 Bhujan Bihar. Number 2 Bhumi Letekua. Number 3 Khel Gopal. And number 4 Patni Prasanda. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A 1 and 4. Number B 2 and 3. Number C 4 only. Number D 3 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ D 63 number question to hold. In Assam, there are 5 planetarium/science centers set up apart from the regional science center at Khanapara. In which of the following 2 districts there are 3D planetariums at present? Number 1 Bishwanath. Number 2 Jorhat. Number 3 Lakhimpur. And number 4 Nalbari. Select the correct option using the codes given below. A 1 and 2. B 2 and 3. C 3 and 4. D 1 and 4. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C 64 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে কাজিৰঙা নেশ্যনেল পাৰ্ক ফলছ ইন হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং কম্বিনেশ্যনছ of districts? Number A Nagaon and Golaghat. Number B Nagaon, Golaghat and Bishwanath. Number C Golaghat, Nagaon, Sonitpur and Bishwanath. Or number D Golaghat, Nagaon, Bishwanath and Majuli. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C 65 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে One district, one product ODOP is a scheme from the Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Government of India to promote rural micro enterprises in the informal sector for reaching out nearly 25 lakh enterprises. For which of the following districts of Assam banana has been chosen as the product? Number A Dorong. Number B Karbi Anglong. Number C Goalpara. Or number D Sonitpur. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C গোৱালপাৰা 66 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে which one of the following combinations of the protected forest represents the forest covered under the Project Tiger in Assam? Number A. Nameri, Dibru-Soikhwa, Kaziranga, Manas. Number B. Nameri, Orang, Kaziranga, Manas. Number C. Raimona, Orang, Kaziranga, Manas. Or number D. Nameri, Orang, Raimona, Manas. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি। 67 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে দিছ হাৰ্মফুল পলিউটেণ্ট বাইণ্ডছ দ্য হিমগ্ল'বিন ইন দ্য ব্লাড thereby reducing the ability of blood to carry oxygen. What is the name of the pollutant? Number A. Carbon dioxide. Number B. Nitrogen dioxide. Number C. Ozone. Or number D. Carbon monoxide. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ D. Carbon monoxide. 68 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে which of the following statements is correct to explain a lentic ecosystem? Number A. It is a ecosystem for all inland water bodies. Number B. It is an ecosystem dealing with still water. Number C. It is an ecosystem dealing with flowing water. Or number D. It is an ecosystem of marine environment. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি। 69 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে ডিটাৰমিনেশ্যন অফ দ্য নেশ্যনেল এয়াৰ কোৱালিটি ইণ্ডেক্স NAQI involves measurement of certain number of air quality parameters. How many parameters are measured? Number A 2, number B 3, number C 5, or number D 8. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ D 8. 70 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে the most widely ratified human rights treaty that has helped transform children's rights around the globe is United Nations Convention on the Rights of Child. The convention was adopted in the year number A 1948, number B 1989, number C 1998, or number D 1954. আৰু শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি। 71 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট অফ আছাম থ্ৰু এ notification constituted the Anganwadi level monitoring and support committees under ICDS. Who chairs the committee? Number A. Block Development Officer. Number B. Preferably a female Panchayat ward member. Number C. The President of the Gram Panchayat. Or number D. A female member of the Zilla Parishad of that particular district. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি। 72 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে উজ্জ্বলা is a comprehensive scheme launched by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India for addressing the issue of trafficking women and children for sexual exploitation. Which of the following is not a component of the scheme? Number A. Prevention. Number B. Rescue. Number C. Rehabilitation. Or number D. Integration. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি। 73 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে which of the following statements are not true about OTT over the top platform? Number 1. OTT allows the viewer to download the content to watch later. Number 2. In OTT, data is transmitted over internet. Number 3. WhatsApp is an OTT communication platform. Number 4, OTT can stream content online during broadcast. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 1 only. Number B, 1 and 3 only. Number C, 2 and 3. Or number D, 1, 3 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ A. 74 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে The Kartavya Path in New Delhi connects Raisina Hills with India Gate. What were the previous names of the Kartavya Path? Number 1, Janpath. Number 2, Kingsway. Number 3, Queensway. Or number 4, Rajpath. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 1 and 3. Number B, 2 and 4. Number C, 1 only. Or number D, 4 only. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ B. 75 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে কৈলাশ সত্যাৰ্থী was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 for his tireless crusade against the oppression of children and youth. With which of the following Kailash Satyarthi has been associated? Number A, Bachpan Bachao Andolan. Number B, Global March Against Child Labor. Number C, both A and B. Number D, none of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C. 76 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে India asserted the need to follow a sustainable lifestyle and emphasized on the idea of making lifestyle for environment LIFE a global mission. To fulfill the mission objectives, certain number of actions in different categories has been identified. Find the correct option for the number of categories and actions. Number A, 5 categories and 47 actions. Number B, 7 categories and 47 actions. Number C, 7 categories and 75 actions. Or number D, 5 categories and 75 actions. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C. 77 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে The Swachh Bharat Mission Z, Phase 2 has a target to transform the villages from ODF open defecation free to ODF plus by 2024-25. Which of the following are correct statements to explain the targeted achievements? Number 1, it will cover the villages with solid and liquid waste management. Number 2, focus is given to providing access to IHHL, individual household latrine, to left out and newly emerging households. Number 3, it will promote segregation and storage facilities for plastic waste management. Or number 4, a village that sustains its ODF status and has arrangements for solid waste management or liquid waste management is considered as ODF plus aspiring village. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A, 3 and 4. Number B, 1, 2 and 4 only. Number C, 3 only. Or number D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ D. 78 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল which of the following statements are correct about UNICEF's mission? Number 1. UNICEF insists that the survival, protection and development of children are universal development imperatives and that are integral to human progress. Number 2. UNICEF is committed to ensuring special protection for the most disadvantaged children, victims of war, disasters, extreme poverty, all forms of violence and exploitation, and those with disabilities. Number 3. UNICEF is non-partisan and its cooperation is free of discrimination in everything it does. The most disadvantaged children and the countries in greatest need for priority are. Number 4. UNICEF works with all its partners towards the attainment of the Sustainable Human Development Goals adopted by the world community and the realization of the vision of peace and social progress enshrined in the Charter of the United Nations. Select the correct option using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Or number D. 2 and 3 only. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি। 79 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে এ মলিকুল অফ সুক্ৰ'জ কণ্টেইনছ এ কাৰ্বন এণ্ড হাইড্ৰজেন এটমছ, number B carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms, number C nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen atoms, or number D carbon, nitrogen and hydrogen atoms. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B. 80 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে পেহেল scheme is related to number A agricultural loan, number B direct transfer of LPG subsidy, number C women education, or number D child education. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B. 81 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে শক্তি is a joint military exercise conducted between India and a country of Europe. Choose the right country given below. Number A Germany, number B Spain, number C Italy, or number D France. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number D. 82 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে who said man is a social animal? Number A Aristotle, number B Comte, number C Plato, or number D Socrates. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number A. 83 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে which of the Vedas mainly consist of a melodic format or verses set as lyrical composition? Number A Yajurveda, number B Samveda, number C Atharva Veda, or number D Rig Veda. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B. 84 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে the first Assamese movie Joymati was made by Rupkumar Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. The film was edited in which of the following cities? Number A Mumbai, then Bombay, number B Kolkata, then Calcutta, number C Hyderabad, আৰু number D Lahore। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number D। $85 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে দ্য লোগো অফ দ্য আসাম সাহিত্য সভা ৱাজ ডিজাইন বাই number A শোভা ব্ৰহ্ম, number B যুগল দাস, number C মিত্ৰদেৱ মহন্ত আৰু number D বেণু মিশ্ৰ। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B যুগল দাস। 86 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে Assamese, its formation and development is a doctoral dissertation written by number A Dr. Birinci Kumar Barua, number B Dr. Surya Kumar Bhuiya, number C Dr. Banikanto Kakoti, and number D Dr. Bhupen Hazarika। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number C Dr. Banikanto Kakoti। 87 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে হোৱাট ইজ দ্য নেম অফ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট আছামিজ ড্ৰামা ব্ৰডকাষ্ট অন অল ইণ্ডিয়া ৰেডিঅ' ইন 1935? number A লাহৰী, number B বিন বৈৰাগী, number C বন কুঁৱৰী, আৰু number D জীৱনৰ বাটত। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B। 88 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে ইন হুইচ ইয়েৰ ৱাজ ডক্টৰ ভূপেন হাজৰিকা কনফাৰ্ড দ্য দাদা চাহেব ফাল্কে এৱাৰ্ড? number A 1992, number B 2009, number C 2000, আৰু number D 2004। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number A। 89 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল মেটচ দ্য ফলোয়িং বুকছ ইন লিষ্ট 1 উইথ দ্য কৰেছপণ্ডিং অথৰ্ছ ইন লিষ্ট 2। লিষ্ট 1ত আছে number A ইয়াত এখন অৰণ্য আছিল, number B কথা ৰত্নাকৰ, number C জংগম, আৰু number D ডাইনী। আৰু লিষ্টটোত আছে number 1 দেৱেন্দ্ৰনাথ আচাৰ্য, number 2 মনোৰঞ্জন লাহৰী, number 3 অনুৰাধা শৰ্মা পূজাৰী, আৰু number 4 ধ্ৰুৱজ্যোতি বৰা। Select the correct option from the following codes. Number A A3B4C1D2, number B A3B2C1D4, number C A4B2C3D1, or number D A4B3C2D1। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number A। 90 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে মেটচ দ্য ফলোয়িং বুকছ ইন লিষ্ট 1 উইথ দ্য কৰেছপণ্ডিং অথৰ্ছ ইন লিষ্ট 2। লিষ্ট 1 number A গীতা গোবিন্দ, number B ইণ্ডিকা, number C বুদ্ধ চৰিত্ৰ, আৰু number D পঞ্চতন্ত্ৰ। আৰু লিষ্টটোত আছে number 1 বিষ্ণু শৰ্মা, number 2 জয়াদেৱা, number 3 অশ্বঘোষ, and number 4 Megasthenes. Select the correct option from the following codes. Number A A2B4C3D1, number B A1B2C3D4, number C A1B3C2D4, or number D A3B4C1D2। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number A। 91 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে হু ৱাজ দ্য আহোম স্বৰ্গদেউ ৱেন দ্য ঘিলাগিৰি ঘাট ট্ৰিটি ৱাজ চাইন বিটুইন দ্য আহোম এণ্ড দ্য মোগলছ? number A চক্ৰধ্বজ সিংহ, Number B. Udayaditya Singha. Number C. Jayadhwas Singha. Or number D. Paramatta Singha. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি 92 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে which of the following traditional games in Assam has have some similarities with the game Kabaddi? Number A. Kopoti Hai Gudu. Number 2. Muthai Khel. Number 3. Dhoop Khel. Number 4. Ghila Khel. Select the correct option using the codes given below. Number A. 1 only. Number B. 1 and 3. Number C. 2 and 4. Or number D. 3 only. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ A. 93 number question to is which of the following statements is not correct about the Arjun Award? Number A. It is the highest sports award in India after Khel Ratna. Number B. Sri P.K. Banerjee was the first sportsman to be conferred the Arjun Award along with 20 other sports persons. Number C. The winner of the Arjun Award receives a statue of Arjun, a certificate and a cash prize. Or number D. The Arjuna Award was instituted in the year 1951. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ D. 94 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে Assam elects 14 members to the lower house of the parliament. How many members from Assam can be elected to the upper house of the parliament in India? A. 3, B. 6, C. 7 আৰু D. 14. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে C. 7. 95 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে A famous work of this noted author is Gulapi Jamur Logno. He was a recipient of Gyanpith Award. Identify the person. Number A. Nilmani Fukan Jr. Number B. Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya. Number C. Mamani Roysom Goswami. Or number D. None of them. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ A. 96 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল কাৰ্বি লাংপি হাইড্ৰ ইলেক্ট্ৰিক প্ৰজেক্ট ইজ ইন দ্য ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট অফ আছাম অন হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং ৰিভাৰ্ছ দ্য ডেম ইজ কনষ্ট্ৰাক্টেড? নাম্বাৰ A. বৰপানী. নাম্বাৰ B. কিলিং. Number C. Kolioni. Or number D. Kopili. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ A. 97 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱ recognized one of the great poets as Apramadi Kavi. Who among the following was recognized as Apramadi Kavi? Number A. Ananta Kondali. Number B. Bhattadeva. Number C. Madhav Kondali. Or number D. Mahendra Kondali. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C. Madhav Kondali. 98 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে Silent Spring is a book which brought worldwide attention on destruction of wildlife through the widespread use of pesticides. Who among the following is the author of this book? Number A. Wangari Maathai. Number B. Rachel Carson. number C, Gaylord Nelson, আৰু number D, Bandana Shiva, আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B. 99 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে which of the following writs can be issued by the Supreme Court of India to enforce fundamental rights? Number A, writ of habeas corpus. Number B, writ of mandamus. Number C, writ of quo warranto. Or number D, all of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number D, all of the above. 100 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে which international award is given for excellence in the television industry? Number A, Oscar. Number B, Grammy. Number C, Emmy. আৰু number D, Booker. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number C.
ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিল যদি লাইক কৰিব আৰু চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব এনেধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ্ছৰ সলিউশ্যনছৰ কাৰণে। লগতে আপোনাৰ বন্ধুবৰ্গকো ভিডিঅ'টো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব যাতে তেওঁলোকো লাভৱান হয়। আমাৰ প্ৰশ্নকোষ ৱেবছাইটতো আপুনি ভিজিট কৰি এক্সাম ৰিলেটেড বিভিন্ন ডকুমেণ্টছ সংগ্ৰহ কৰিব পাৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।